Hi friend, welcome to my rant video today. As you see, I'm going to rant Adysyn for now on. Well, we all know that she a bad user and spoiled brat. Yes, she do making something bad like keep reporting my video, dating with Feetway Sonic plus she is not real, do some tickle video in playlist, and even worst she using the iPhoto for the thumbnail. Adysyn act like fake Vaki. She do have annoying fan like what the heck man, like Alia and more toxic Adysyn fan you know. And even much worse my friend called Kadyoshi and the Revenger of Fire friend with Adysyn.
Why do Kadyoshi and the Revenger of Fire friend her? Both of you should know that SHE is toxic and mean to other user, but you guys said no, SHE is not? Oh my freaking god, this the worst thing my friend just did.
Sorry about that guys, it's just that I'm a bit angry you know. Anyways, that all for today, bye. Oh, and I forgot that if you still like her or neutral to her, I can handle your opinion.